Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD, the guy in the video. And today we're going to give you an update for our new services for 2023. So after 2022 and a major investment in both technology and manpower and system, we are now able to offer our 3-year warranted CPC4 Repair at a much reduced price from previously offered. We now have 2 services we offer. Offer number 1 is standard turnaround time of about 5 days, is $1,200, and this includes UPS shipping with that charge. Our faster service, which is 48-hour service, is $1,800, and that includes UPS overnight shipping. So please, if you have a CPC fault, please send it to us and we can give you the best possible service. Included with your service, we are now doing full road tests on every module before it leaves. And we will be providing you the video as it's being shipped to you. So please remember us at ERD CPC4. You can find us at wefixcpc4.com and also check out our ERD-powertrain.com associated cable system. Thank you, and once again, Glenn with ERD, the guy in the video.